also supports our military, our homeless veterans, and the Gary Sidney C Foundation. For every bar you purchase, they also send a bar overseas to our military. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to eurosoapcompany.com, choose your favorite scent. You could also buy the t-shirts and hats. And when you go to the discount, when you go to checkout, put in the discount code BADGE. And that's in reference to badge. Everybody needs one. And hear what he has to say about it.
You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it. So I'd like to thank Saucy very much and all our subs and viewers and everything. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. A few months ago, 2-3 months ago, maybe not even that long, I'll post a video up here, and I did a video and I showed Frugal Gal how to make a certain bread. But she also has mentioned that she needed to, she was only buying milk because she couldn't find any buttermilk. I told her I would do a video. I'll show her how to make buttermilk. So RV Frugal Gal, here you go. This is for you. So be right back and I'll show you the ingredients. This is going to be a short video and I'll probably attach it to another. So stay tuned. It's only 2 ingredients. It's 2 cups of milk and it'll be 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to set the phone up so I can mix it and let you watch it form. Okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Just 2 tablespoons. Basically what it is 1 tablespoon per cup. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. I stir it up just gently and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. And you'll see the curdles. So, I can let you watch it with some music. So, enjoy the music for the next few minutes. Alright? A few minutes your time, 10 minutes mine. Be right back. Just so you can see all those bubbles? That means it's working. I knew it. I can't chop on here without this thing falling forward. But I can tell you, there's a gimbal on the way. Or by the time you see this video, I would already probably done another video of me getting my gimbal. So, have fun. Okay, guess what? It's done. Hold on. Let me get a spoon here. See how it curdled up? And how it thickened up a little bit? There we go. Yep, it tastes like buttermilk. Okay, now see what I need this for? I need a cup of this for my hush puppies. Now my hush puppies, I'll post a link to that video up there, and you'll see why I need the buttermilk. So, Frugal Gal, I hope this helped you out, and we'll go from there. So now you don't have to worry about purchasing buttermilk. Alright, thank you all for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button down below there. Click on that little bell. Click that thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will respond. I'll see you all later, and I love every one of you. So see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. This is just going to be a quick video for an update. By the way, I got pizza dough rising in the back here. Anyways, what I'm going to tell you is I have another long video. It has to do with groceries. Y'all got to watch it. I only cut out the boring parts where the camera just sat there and nothing was happening, but I kept it in real time in all the other places. So, it is pretty neat. I had two wonderful guys helping me. Alright, now I was going to do it on Friday, but Badge, everybody loves him, and everybody needs one. He decided he's going to do an interview with, gosh, I'm going to have to remember her name. I'll post it down below here, and I'll post a link to her channel right there for Friday night at 5 p.m. Central Time. So make sure you're all there, be square, as he says. Alright, and this is going to be a scary thing. He's not going to know what to do with himself. Everybody's going to come at him. Sorry, Badge. Love you, but I got to announce it. Alright, anyways, till then, I'll most likely do it on Sunday. I'll take my afternoon nap. I'll set my alarm. Hopefully I hear my alarm. If y'all don't see me in the live chat 30 minutes prior, please, whoever has my phone number, call me, because I might still be sleeping, because Sunday nights is my nights off. Alright, anyways, love you all. I will talk with you soon, and hopefully I'll see you on Sunday. And on Friday, let's go over and see where Badge is at. Alright, till then, I'll see you up the river, down the river, or up down the road. Bye-bye.